Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipe. In this video, we are going to understand what is one hot encoding. I am going to do this for a single class label. So first, let's try to understand what is one hot encoding and why do we need to do that. In many times in the dataset, you must have seen entries of city. For example, consider entry of sex, that is basically male and female. They are in string format, but we also need that to train our model. Basically, one hot encoding is the process of converting categorical features that are string features into numerical features. So why do we need to do that? Before After the pre-processing, when you need to train the model, always remember your model only understands numerical vectors or numerical features. So you need to convert those categorical features into numerical form. So one-hot encoding is the process to do that, and this is why we need to do that. So I have this is the code snippet for one-hot encoding for a single class label. I have copied this code and I have pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. So let's go to my Jupyter notebook. So here, now def Kickstarter example 37. I've given the function the name. Now print statement. These are general to print statement. Import warnings. Warning dot filter ignore. Sometimes you get unnecessary warnings. In case to ignore those warnings, I have used import warnings. Warning dot filters. Okay. Now I have loaded the libraries. Import numpy as np. I would be using this numpy to create my numpy array. For sklearn dot pre-processing label binarizer. This label binarizer is the function or is used to convert these categorical vectors into numerical vectors. Now I have initialized my numpy array. So x np dot array Texas. As you can see, it is a single class label: Texas, California, Texas, Delaware, and again Texas. Now I've initialized label binarizer under the name one underscore hot. Now print one underscore hot dot fit transform. This print just gives me a space, and one underscore hot dot fit transform transforms my categorical vectors into numerical vector. Okay, you just have to give a parameter, that is x, that is the numpy array on which you have to perform the transformation. After that, print one underscore hot dot classes. As you can see, there are unique one underscore dot hot classes extracts unique classes from my numpy array. It will you can see there are three unique classes: Texas, California, and Delaware. So what one underscore hot dot class is going to do, it is going to extract these three unique classes and print it for me. Let's run this code. So as you can see, my code has run, and this is, as I told you, one underscore dot hot classes gives me the unique classes California, Delaware, and Texas. It has arranged them in uh, alphabetical order, and this is the final output, or this is the converted form of my categorical numpy array into numerical. So let's try to interpret this. So you can so this first column is for California, the second one is for Delaware, and third is for Texas. So if any of my vector here contains California, the first one goes 1. You can see in the second part. The as it does not contain Delaware or Texas, the both of them are 0. For the first one, Texas, California is 0, Delaware is 0, and for Texas it is 1. For Delaware, you can see 0, 1, and 0. So this is how the label binarizer works, and this is what one-hot encoding is. So let's go back to our web page. For real industry projects, using this recipe, you can check this out. The URL for this code is available in the video below. Thank you.